Good morning, first grade. I hope you are having a wonderful day so far. Today is Friday, November 20th, 2020. Your special today is Maker, and it is the 57th day of school. So I don't have my coins here with me, but it is the 57th day of school. So before we go over the schedule, let's go ahead and if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. Down. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. So today, coming out first thing this morning, there will be a Kahoot math practice game and an application problem for lesson 9. Just want to make sure I said the right number. And there will also be a wit and wisdom video that talks about revising, which means to go back over and try to improve your writing. So yesterday we worked on the end of module task, and you may still be working on that, and that's totally okay. You'll see in the video it walks through kind of how writers can revise and edit or make changes to their writing, and there is a checklist at the end, and I know this is new for us, and I explain it all in the video, so just try to do the best that you can. It's just kind of to get used to and try out how we can go back and look at our own work and kind of see how we're doing and how we think we did, and make any changes and improvements. So there'll be a video and everything explaining that. Then we will have our 10 a.m. Normal 10 a.m. live class. And if you could please bring this paper, it's assessment 28B, vocabulary assessment. It would have been in the second supply box. There were 2 of them, so this would be the one that would be still there, because we had already done. We had already done one of these before. So it would be assessment 28B, vocabulary assessment, and we'll do this during the live class. So if you remember from last time, I'll ask a question, or I'll give a kind of situation, and if you think that the word, if it's yes, that the word does apply to that situation or question, we circle the yes, and if not, we circle the no. So again, just if you could have this for the 10 a.m. class, and we'll do it together. Just in case if for some reason you don't have this or you cannot find it, this is an easy one where we can just number it, and you could write a yes or no, or put a Y or an N for your answer and still send that in. So no big deal if you cannot find it, but if you have that, bring that at 10. That would be great. And then we will have a social studies again at 10:45, following our reading, our morning class. So we'll take a little break, come back and have our social studies, and then we'll meet again at 1 for math, and that will be our Friday. So I wanted to show you the puzzle for today and see if you can figure out, so here it is, what this means. So we'll share at the 10 a.m. call, and let me know if you have any questions or having any, need help with anything. Just let me know, and I'll see everybody soon. Can't wait. Bye. And just a reminder again, it is Maker today at 11:45. All right. Thanks. Bye. See you soon.